So I haven't posted for last 15 days I think. मुझे honestly time नहीं मिला अपने passion projects पे काम करने का. For the last 15 days I'm on a shoot, like proper shoot. एक हफ्ते के लिए कुछ shoot किया and then straight into post production. And then once that was done, again I'm traveling right now to another shoot. This shoot is not regarding Gods of Bharat or the feature length documentary that I'm trying to make. This was like a proper commercial shoot, and honestly all of this is demanding a lot more time than I expected, especially working on this feature length documentary. And honestly I'm falling short. I mean, वक्त के हिसाब से काफ़ी काम हो जाने चाहिए थे, वो अभी तक हुए नहीं है प्री प्रोडक्शन स्टेज में. एंड यू नो इट्स मोस्टली बिकॉज मी बीइंग busy in these shoots and Naveen being busy in his own shoots as well. You know, I'm already feeling like I'm falling behind क्योंकि देखो passion projects are not gonna wait and these paid projects don't care. So you're constantly switching gear between one and the other. You know, it's like I'm trying to catch ball from this side and then another side and दोनों गिर रहा है, दोनों नहीं पकड़ पा रहा हूँ. You know, I hope you can understand, because see, if you are trying to do something that you love and at the same time you have to work, ये 9 to 5 वाली जॉब जैसे आप कर रहे हो, I am not doing it but you can still relate because पैसे तो ज़रूरी है. And at the same time you have this idea of creating something. It could be your business idea or like me just trying to create this passion project. It's very difficult. And I completely understand now. It's really difficult. ये सारे motivational videos देख के ना, it's really easy to get motivated and inspired watching these videos and just jump in. But when you are in that, it's not easy, man. It's really not easy. But you know, if you're watching this and if you're in the same boat, this video is for you, and at the same time a reminder for myself that just keep doing, man. Just keep doing. थोड़ी देर और. Let's not just stop because it's slow growth. Let's not stop because nobody is clapping for us. Let's not stop because it looks kind of messy. You know, we might be thinking that we are behind, and actually ये सच है, we are behind. I am behind the schedule. But let's not stop here. Just keep working at it. Keep working at it. कल नहीं परसों नहीं कभी तो होगा. So yeah, let's not stop. I'm not gonna stop. See you in the next one.